knew we wanted something with a lot of neutral colours, a lot of wood, and a lot of organic materials. This is a 3-room BTO in Bidadari near to Woodleigh MRT and Woodleigh Mall.
Hi, my name is Brendan. I'm currently a real estate agent.
Hi, I'm Mello. I'm also a real estate agent. We have a 4-height feature wall that is made from carpentry, and then it actually conceals our bomb shelter as well as our guest toilet.
I think the whole design of this feature wall was actually very interesting because it was actually proposed by our ID, Max, and then after that, from there we discussed to see what kind of designs we want. And in fact, we changed a couple of times because we saw certain inspiration and then comparing pros and cons, and we end up with a design that matched actually our carpentry, cabinetry in the kitchen as well. And I think Max provided a very good idea to create a niche in the feature wall as well, because that provided us with an extra showcase and shelf space where we can display some items.
Our toilet is actually hidden behind our wardrobe, so it's one full wall of wardrobe, so it also looks very clean. Our service yard, our kitchen window, we actually have a zip track instead of a window. So with the zip track, it helps a lot with the ventilation, especially like when we are cooking. At a point in my life where I get very excited when I see the kitchen cabinetry being done very nicely. You know, just makes me happy to be there, you know, making coffee in the morning or just like making a quick meal. Yeah.
We were working with Max, right? Our working relationship was very good, I say, and I think very compatible, because when we first met him for consultation, we already had an idea of like how we wanted the house to look like, and in terms of the layout, maybe hacking down some walls and repartitioning some, because we want to make the house as functional and as livable as possible.
A home is a place where we can relax and come home to rest, so it's a respite for our daily life.
For me, I would say it's a place that really, a place that we build our dreams and our goals together. It is the safe haven for us where, every day we are hustling, we're working so hard out there, fighting all the battles. When we come back to this place, it's really the safe place, the safe haven for us to totally relax, recharge, and to take care of ourselves. And I would say, more importantly, right, it's a place for us to build memories with your family, your friends, your pets, and also your own, where we build our ambitions, our goals, build the empire that we want. And it's a place I would say that it's the only place where you can truly just be yourself, and without any pressure,